New clock style on Samsung oneui 7 beta on Samsung S24 Ultra, S24 Plus and S24. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Now tap the lock screen wallpaper. Tap the clock style. In the latest oneui 7 beta, you can see the different clock style. Here you can see the different clock font you want to set. So select the clock font. Here we set this clock font. You can also set the thin or bold font you want to set on a device like this. Just move the slider to thin or bold the font on your device. Tap the style button. Here you can see the list of different new clock style on oneui 7 beta for your Samsung S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, other device. So select the clock style. Here we select this clock style. You can also show the weather information, show date above the clock. So you can customize easily on the latest oneui 7 beta. Also change the clock color like this. So select the clock color you want to adjust. Also customize your favorite color and tap the done. So quite helpful or a new amazing clock style feature on latest oneui 7. That's it. Play like it, share it.